Hello and welcome back to this video series where we're looking at building our own custom application using Up's API. In the previous video, we looked at generating a personal access token. So this is kind of like a username and password that we can pass across with our request to the API, and it's going to give us back just our personal data. So we probably don't want someone else to have access to this because then they would be able to act on our behalf through the API. So if you believe that you have that this personal access token has been compromised, so if you have committed it to GitHub or posted it on social media or given it to a third party to act on your behalf, it's probably a good idea to revoke access to that token. Thankfully, revoking access is just as easy as creating a new token because that's exactly what we do. So if you go back to the API doc, so at developer.up.com.au, and then again, click this Get Your Personal Access Token. You'll get this QR code again. And if we scan that with our phone, confirm we want to give access and authenticate, you'll see we now have this new personal access token. And if I was to try to use the old personal access token, so if I was to send a previous request, you'll see that we now get a 401 not authorized response. If we were to get rid of that old token and copy in our new token, you'll see we now get that lightning bolt emoji again. So everything is all good. So you can only have one access token at a time. So anytime you create a new personal access token, all previous access tokens are now unauthorized. So no one will be able to access your account with that token. So something to keep in mind is now that you have created a new access token, you'll need to go in and copy and paste this to any applications that you do want to have access. But thankfully, anyone who has gained access to a previous token will not be able to use it. Awesome. So in the next video, we are going to look at actually making a request for some of your data. So we're going to look at how we can request different account information from Up's API. See you then.